Good evening, ma'am and sir. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Belinda De Sorbito, married, and I have two children. I have experience working in Hong Kong as a nanny and a domestic helper in a Chinese and Western employer. My main responsibility and duty is to take care of the newborn baby, toddler, and young children. I do household work like cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I do marketing and car washing too. I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and patient helper. I hope you choose me as one of your helper because I know I'm very capable to work in your family, and I know I have a huge experience to look after and take care the newborn baby. I am happy to serve, and I am looking also a long-term job. So I am here to say that if you choose me as one of your helper, I will do my best to reach your expectation. Uh, and then I wish your family, and I wish that we will see you soon if you choose me as one of your helper. Um, this is my first time to do the the video recording, ma'am. So I'm quite nervous. So sorry about that. I hope you like me as one of your helper because I know that I'm very I know that I like to take care newborn baby, young children, and toddler because I am a mother too. And I promise, if you choose me as one of your helper, I will treat your kids as my own kids. That's all. Thank you.